Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in this particular video I am going to discuss some more important data cleaning concept which frequently might be helpful in practical data related project. Okay, whether you are working in data engineering domain or data analysis domain or data science domain, these particular concepts, all these are going to help you. So first let me load one data from Excel. Here I am loading one very small data. Okay, practical real-time data will be having much bigger size than this one. Here you can see 2 columns and only 4 rows present. Okay, so if we click on transform data, what we can see, let us try to understand. So here in Power Query Editor our data is opened and you can see the header is actually coming as row element. First row is actually header, name, number. Okay, it is not taking this one as header, instead of that it is taking as row element. So to change this I will be clicking on this particular row and here I will be clicking on this, use first row as header. In the home tab itself it is present, that is first row it will make as header, and now it's perfect. Now see, here name is present Sotodru, inside parenthesis Mukherjee, Soham inside parenthesis Ganguly, Ayan inside parenthesis Malik present. Okay, so suppose I want to just take this particular data which are present inside parenthesis. So I'll be clicking on this, I'll be going to add column. In the add column there is extract option is there, click on extract and here delimiter is open bracket close bracket, in between that whatever present we have to extract. So text between delimiter. Okay, I am clicking on that. Here start delimiter is parenthesis open and end delimiter is parenthesis close. Click on OK. See, new window is created where actually the data is present which is coming under this parenthesis. Okay, as simple as that. Now in transform tab also you can see here in extract text between delimiter is present, but as you know what will happen if we apply this one. If we apply this one, here this particular new column is created, but if you are using transform then new column won't be created. These particular values will come or will be overwritten on this name column only. So to avoid that I went to add column and I have used the extract feature from here. Okay, then observe the number column. Okay, in number column what is present? See, pattern IG -1234 -AH, MS -5649 GO, then AL -7891, then no more hyphen. Now suppose you are having this kind of business use case that only the middle 4 characters are required. Okay, so now you cannot use the concept that is extract text between delimiters. Okay, because you can see for the last data actually ending hyphen is not present, so it will be making one problem. So we'll be using one more feature in extract. Here we'll be going to extract and range we are going to use. Now see how we are going to use range. So the middle 4 characters we have to take and see the index. First index 0, second index 1, third index 2, fourth index is 3. So from third index we will start, we will be taking 4 elements. Okay, so starting index 3. Okay, and we'll be going to number of characters, 4 characters we want to take. Click on OK. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 9 7 8 9 1, that is middle 4 characters it is extracting and creating one new column. Okay, so this particular extract is a very important feature if you are trying to clean your noisy text data. Okay, because you can understand this all we are applying on our text data, right? Text between delimiter may be useful if there is always opening delimiter and ending delimiter present, and you can use range if you are getting this kind of situation. Okay, right, I hope you have understood this. The data set I'll be providing in the description box. Anyway, you can understand this is a very small data set you can create by yourself, like this kind of small data set for understanding the concept purpose, right? So if you have not seen my previous video on Power BI, you can go through the link given in the description box. Thank you.